How to fix Apple Pay when you can't add a bank account. Here's how to troubleshoot Apple Pay if it won't let you link your bank account using only your iPhone settings. Step 1, go to Settings and then to General and then click on Software Update and install the latest iOS version. Some banks require your phone to be fully updated to connect. Step 2, go to Settings and then to General again and then click on Language and Region and make sure you're set to a country where Apple Pay is available. If not, it may block you from adding your account. Step 3, once again head to Settings and then to Wallet and Apple Pay, then try tapping Add Card again. If it's unresponsive, restart your iPhone and try once more. Step 4. Not all banks support Apple Pay. Double check your bank is on Apple's supported list or contact your bank's help center for confirmation. Step 5. If it's still not working, go back to Wallet and Apple Pay, remove any previously added cards or accounts that failed, then restart your iPhone before adding it again. This usually clears up the issue and no fees or subscriptions are involved. Apple Pay setup is completely free. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.